All right, we'll throw this back together, I guess. Got us some MX-33 this time. We're gonna try soft terrain.
Seem awfully solemn. Well, maybe Sunday morning is a good time to reflect, especially when it's after Saturday night. Didn't your date go well last night? It wasn't too well, Mom. For a few hours, Wyndham was bigger than King Kong. I mean, it was the biggest night in his whole life, being his first date now. You mean he's more serious than you are? That's the impression I got. I think he's going to ask me to go steady. I see.
Yeah. No.
Hello? Oh, Wendell. Now? I don't know if I can. Well, if it's something you have to say, I'll be right there. Bye.
Boy.
Mom, this is it. I can tell by his voice. I hope he didn't ask you to reload. He asked me to leave at the taco stand.
And I want to thank you for the greatest night of my life last night.
Well, I really enjoyed myself.
The reason I got you here is I've got to find out if you feel the same way about me that I feel about you.
There. Get that to.
I know you like it, and you can remind yourself. And then you insisted on that I take you out, so you must like me.
Well, I do. I really like you.
And I really like you. And that's why I had to have this talk. Now, I know we're both young.
Very young.
Exactly. And that's why I don't think we should get too serious. I know you may understand, Lori, but...
Hi, Wendell. Lori.
Hey, you girls are here early.
You'd be interrupting anything. You sure did get around.
I'll be with y'all in just a minute.
Sure. We get over our way. Maybe we can see you in our taco.
Lori, you're not mad at me, are you?
No. No, but the way you acted last night, I thought that...
I know. Last night I almost asked you to go steady, but there is something you should know about the illness.
I guess so. I didn't know what else happened to me.
It's like this. I've always dreamed about being a nice girl. But also, somewhere in the back of my mind, there's a house taken out. You know what you call rotten girls? Well, I've taken out a nice girl, so it seems only fair I give the rotten girls their shot. I guess I'm a fickle human being.
Oh, as human beings go, yes. As best for human beings.
Come on, man. Yeah, tires suck. Especially the rears. They're so tight.
I'm going to get the 4 ball. If you're an 9 ball, select the 12 ball in the side pocket.
Oh, sure. There's some shorts for the combination. Well, he didn't say which side pocket.
Anyone? He beat you 6 games out of 6.
I can count. Next game, we're gonna break your thumbs.
How old is Wendell? 16 or 17. Groceries. As you went out with him, he's changed. He's loaded with confidence now. Just asked me to go out with him Friday night.
And the fun part.
Your best defense against erosion and cavities.
This is the best thing you can get to get your tube in without tearing your fingers up too badly.
I think that this product is a game changer. It really works.
Look at that last second bake sale. It's gonna be great. With the Comic by your side for over 130 years, it's gonna be great. If you, like many people, are covered by both Medicare and your state's Medicaid, here's something important to know. You could get even more health benefits than you already have. It's the United Healthcare Dual Complete Plan. To find out if you care about is eligible, it's easy. Call now to talk with us. We can explain it all and answer your questions. Medicaid gives you benefits, and Medicare gives you something.
Now, why wouldn't that spin on its own? That's kind of dumb.
Benefits and features compared to original Medicare. You'll have lots of doctors and hospitals to choose from. $0 copays on all covered prescriptions.
My old one would spin
And depending on where
on
you live,
here.
you could enjoy other benefits too, like more dental care and rides to and from your doctor or pharmacy. Most plans even give you up to $300 a month to help pay for covered over-the-counter products, groceries, and new this year, utility bills. And best of all, with this plan, there's no extra cost to you. Remember,
This one is tougher though.
in Medicaid,
You have to admit that.
you get a dual complete plan. So call now to talk with us. Our agents are available to help. We know healthcare can be confusing. United Healthcare
At best.
And with over 40 years of experience, you can count on us to be there for you. With a dual complete plan, you could have a wide choice of doctors to choose from. $0 copays on all covered prescriptions, help paying for covered over-the-counter products, groceries, and utility bills. More dental coverage too, all with no extra cost. If you have both Medicare and Medicaid, you may be eligible for dual complete. So call the number on your screen now to see if you're eligible or to enroll. There's more for you with the United Healthcare Dual Complete Plan.
Important information for viewers aged 50 to 85.
Have you thought about getting life insurance to help your family with
Already got some.
but worried it would cost too much or that you wouldn't qualify? At Colonial Penn, we talk to men and women like you every day. And today, I'd like to share 3 questions they often ask about our guaranteed whole life insurance.
I worry about the cost. Can I get this coverage on a fixed income?
Can you get this coverage on a fixed income? Yes, you can. Options start at $9.95 a month. That's less than 35 cents a day. And the good news is they won't ever increase. A lifetime rate lock guarantees it.
I'm not in perfect health. Can I get this coverage?
Can you get this coverage if you're not in perfect health? Yes, you can. The truth is, you cannot be turned down for any reason. Your acceptance is 100% guaranteed. At Colonial Penn, we believe your health is your business, and we respect your privacy. We don't require a medical exam or ask a single health question.
What if my health changes? Can I keep this coverage?
Can you keep this coverage if your health changes? Yes, you can. The peace of mind this insurance provides can be yours for life. Just pay your premiums, and the policy cannot be canceled for any reason. You can even add to your benefits over time. So the answers are yes, yes, and yes. Yes, you can get this coverage on a fixed income. Yes, you can get it if you're not in perfect health. And yes, you can keep it for life. Now, there's one question I'd like to ask you.
Oh, it hurts the fingers so bad.
Next step and help protect those you love.
It hurts the fingers so bad.
We'll send you free information along with this free beneficiary.
Doctors tell me I can't be.
Organize all your important information. Why wait? Call now.
Call 1-800-884-6622 for your free information and your free beneficiary plan. That's 1-800-884-6622.
I got a bunch of the stuff out back sawed
There's
up.
no obligation.
Yeah, we gotta get the deck cleared, and
1-844-6622. Call now.
I was
it
trying
needs
to.
so cleared off and cleaned up. And,
I met the neighbor Ryan.
yeah,
And,
he's a piece of work.
he said he'll help us with the 1 tree there
Yeah,
on the fence, and we'll give us some posts if we need stuff and fix the fence.
yeah.
Why, have you had a bad interaction with him before?
No, but he was wasted the other day when I met him.
Oh, really?
His eyes were about glued shut. And, yeah, he was.
I guess he's
but-
got a 3-month-old kid.
Yeah,
Dealing with.
yeah. Brian, he's the manager over at Menards, and Brian was looking for something and was asking him for help. And Brian had was like looking around for something, and he turned back around and he looks at him, and the dude's sitting there, Ryan's sitting there rolling his eyes up in the air and shit. Brian was like, look dude, it's your job to help me find this shit, you know. And then he said when he talked to him the other day, he doesn't even think he even remembered him. It was a couple years ago, but whatever.
That's supposed to mean nothing. I was just trying to
Seems pretty nice.
forget
Yeah,
how sorry it's
I
never
mean,
been happening.
Maybe he's
He was
just